In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Etsy billing status and respond to a suspension notice. If your Etsy account has been limited or suspended, one of the first things you should do is make sure there are no billing issues causing or contributing to the problem. We're going to walk through that process clearly so you can handle it calmly and efficiently. Start by opening Google Chrome and signing into your main Etsy dashboard. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one shop or have separate buyer and seller profiles. Once you're in, go to your shop dashboard and look for the Finances section. Inside Finances, carefully review your billing area for any unpaid statements, past due fees, or notifications about an expired credit card. Etsy may place restrictions on an account if there are unresolved billing problems, so this is an important step to complete before reaching out for support. Take a moment to read everything on the page so you don't miss a warning or balance due. If you do find an expired card or an unpaid balance, update your credit card information right away. Enter your current payment details and make sure the information is accurate before submitting it. Once the payment method is updated, clear any outstanding balance immediately. Taking care of that as soon as possible can help remove one possible reason for the account issue and shows that your billing information is current and valid. After that, open your email inbox and look for the suspension notice sent by Etsy. Search for the message carefully so you can find the exact email related to the restriction or policy action. This email usually contains important information about why the account was affected and what Etsy wants you to do next. Read the message fully and pay close attention to any instructions, deadlines, or links they provide. When you're ready, reply directly to that policy email if a response is allowed. Keep your message clear, polite, and focused on resolving the issue. If replying isn't possible, submit a help ticket through Etsy support instead. In your message, briefly explain that you reviewed your billing status, updated your payment method if needed, and are requesting guidance on restoring the account. Once you've done that, keep an eye on your inbox for follow-up messages from Etsy. Respond promptly if they ask for more information. By checking billing first and then contacting support through the correct channel, you give yourself the best chance of getting the issue reviewed as quickly as possible.